In this lesson, we will learn about the intersect. Intersect returns unique rows in the first query that does appears in the second query. So what it means? It means that from the select customer ID from customers, we have 91 unique rows of customers, and from the orders table, if we do select customer ID, we have 89 unique rows. So the intersect is doing the opposite from the except. It takes the rows from the next query that we have in the customers table. So in the end, what we have is 89 rows, because there is only 2 rows, 2 customers ID that we have in the customers table but not in the orders table. So these 2 rows are disappeared because we only want rows that we have in the customers and in the orders table. Let's see in the SQL Server. So here we have the select asterisk from the customers table. We have 91 rows. If we look only on the customer ID, we see that we have 91 customers ID because it's from the customers. It's unique. It's primary key. Now let's look on the orders table. We have 830 rows, but we want the distinct customer ID, only the distincts. And if we run it, we have 89. We know that the 2 values that we have in customers ID and not in the orders are Visa and Paris. So what we get if you do intersect is all unique rows from the customer ID, 91 rows, and only the rows, the values that are in the orders table. So only 89 rows. The 2 rows, Pisa and Paris, will be removed. Now if we run it, we will see that we don't have Visa here, we don't have Visa, and we don't have Paris, because these 2 values are in the customers table but not in the orders table. So when we do intersects, we receive all values from the orders table that are in the customers table, and these 2 values are not in the orders table, so they are removed.